Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect custom domain to Odoo. Alright, let's begin. First, go to odoo.com, click on your profile in the top right corner, and select My Databases. Click on the settings icon, then go to Domain Names. Here you can connect your own domain. Next, log into your hosting website account, like GoDaddy. Find your domain and click on it. Copy the domain name, go back to Odoo, and enter w. followed by your domain name. Now you need to add a CNAME record. In GoDaddy, go to DNS Management, click Add New Record, and select CNAME. In the name field, enter www. For the value, go back to Odoo and copy the database URL provided. Paste it into the value field and click Save. If you get an error, check if an existing CNAME record conflicts with the new one. Delete the old record and try again. Back in Odoo, click Verify. If everything is correct, Odoo will confirm the DNS configuration. SSL certificate generation may take up to 5 hours, so be patient. So, that's basically how you can connect custom domain to Odoo. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.